right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to physics. So what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be looking at our field trip portion of our inclined planes lesson. So I'm going to pull our chair a bit farther forward so you can see a little bit better. And so we have our object, which we're going to be moving, and we have our ramp. So here's our lovely ramp in which I have taken a piece of cardboard and taped it to my, hello Freya, taped it to the milk crate in which I put Freya's food dish on so it's easier for her to eat. Okay, excuse me, Freya. Excuse me, you're right in the way. Come on, move your bum. Come on, there you go. Thank you, Freya. Okay, so what we're gonna do, Freya, leave it. Hey, no, leave it. Come on, leave it. We are going to be taking this book and we are going to be sliding it down the ramp and looking at the forces that we have here. Freya, no, leave it. Come on. Okay. So right now we're going to put the book on the ramp. So as mentioned before, dynamicist in a dynamics lesson works out perfectly. So we have the book here. Now remembering our normal force is completely perpendicular to the surface, so it's going to be coming up right off that surface. Whereas Fg goes straight down. Okay, so we have to, as we showed in the lesson video, you are going to have to break down Fg into Fg perpendicular and Fg parallel. Remembering that our normal force, the force that goes straight up, is going to be equal to the Fg perpendicular. Okay, and the Fg parallel, when sliding an object down the ramp, is going to be moving it forward. In this case, there's no force applied. All we have is the force of gravity on the parallel, which is pulling that book downwards. Okay. Whereas now, if I'm going to take the book and I'm going to push it up the ramp, then I have a different story. I am now both fighting the force of friction and I am fighting Fg parallel. Okay. Whereas if I am going to push the book down the ramp, Fg parallel is definitely in my favor. I then have both a force applied and an Fg parallel opposing that force of friction. Okay, so Fg parallel, when you're pushing the book up the ramp, I have to fight Fg parallel as well as my force of friction. When sliding a book down the ramp, just like that, there is no there's no force applied. There is only an Fg parallel pulling that down the ramp. Okay, when pushing up, you are fighting both Fg parallel and your friction. And Fg perpendicular, so normal force is this way, Fg perpendicular goes down that way. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys found that interesting and that you enjoyed that. And have a good rest of your day, and we will see you all later. No fires, injuries, or explosions. You say bye, Freya? Say bye? Yeah, she says bye. All right, see you guys later.